Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add team members to your blog on Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile and then you'll have a page looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. On the left side of the screen, we have the new post, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and a reading list. In the top right corner, on the other hand, we have your profile and everything about it. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add team members to your blog. So, first of all, you need to go and select the blog where you want to add your team members to, and then go and click on Settings on the left side of the screen here. Then you need to go and find permissions. So scroll down and find permissions, as you can see. And under permissions, click on invite more authors. So you have it here. And then enter the email addresses of people you want to add as authors. Click send to send invitations. Now, when you did that, you have an optional thing that you can do. Next to the name of the team member, you click on the menu and select admin and give them admin access. So that is, of course, optional. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.